In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix web login and browser issues on Cash App. Let's get started. In case you can't sign in, the page is not loading, or keep getting errors, just follow these steps. First, launch your preferred browser. Then, click on the three dots given at the top right. Navigate to the option settings. Now, at the left hand side, you're going to find different option. Click on privacy and security. Now, go ahead and click on the option third party cookies. Under this, you're going to find this option. See all site data and permissions. Click on this. At the top, use the search bar and type Cash App. When it appears, click the trash icon next to it and confirm delete. This clears any corrupted cache or site data, which often fixes login issues. Next, check your browser extensions by going to extensions section on the left. Disable any active extensions, especially VPNs, proxies, or ad blockers, as these can block secure connections and prevent Cash App from working properly. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then go back to Cash App website and try to sign in. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.